So I think I put making videos off long enough. I need to come back. I need to make things. I need to share. Wasn't too sure what I was gonna do for the first episode back. Whether it's gonna be season 2 or episode 46. Not sure. Even recording right now, no idea what it's gonna be. But I've had something stuck in my head for a while, and so I've made coin holders in the past, and it's just a bunch of different coins. And we all have our favorite one that normally, sits front and center. But there's always that one that means the most. And I don't know if that's your last use station. Mine's my first. Probably one of the first coins that I ever picked up. That's why it looks as dingy as it does, because it's been, I used to carry it around in my pocket. Cool little landscaper things to do. So I think I'll end up making one just for this one. And this one doesn't even go to my office. This literally stays really close to me. Something about that first duty station. The friendships that you forged and the places that you went. Get you right in the feels. But that's for a different project. I did pick up this one. I so love this one. Heads you win, tails you lose. If you haven't guessed what we're doing yet, we're gonna make a small little box. And the box is just gonna hold that one coin, that one special one. Maybe as a gift that you give somebody going away, retiring, that last duty station. Nothing big, nothing fancy. And I wanted to say that a lot of the things that we do here in the shop they are big and they are fancy. I've been putting this off for so long. I need to do something simple. I think this is gonna be it to come back. So I'm gonna post this out just to give you a little teaser of what it's gonna end up being. I've still got my whiskey near me. Sometime this week. Maybe come back the next Wednesday. We're gonna build a box, and it's head I win. Not bad for the first take. Thanks for sticking along. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for allowing me to take the mental break that I needed. But now it's time to get back. See you soon, woodpeckers. Bye.